What I really value in photography is the ability to help someone feel like they're there. The images that I've been able to capture show the detail of the geology, which is essential if you're to understand what a marvel these slot canyons are. And I love it when somebody is so moved by the image that they want to experience it. I love the ergonomics of all the LUMIX cameras. They just feel right in your hands. There's been so much design thought put into this camera. All the dials and all the access is so intuitive. You're not searching for things. Your muscle memory can work very quickly with this camera, and I just love that. I love that I can review the images without ever taking my eye away from the camera. The viewing is so bright and so detailed that I can really tell foreground to background if I've got the right focus. The high resolution of the S Series, it's just amazing. It's rendering every pebble, every tiny striation and color of the landscape. And that detail is so important when you're telling a story in a single image. And I've just never had so many options in a single camera. The resolution, the panorama, it just really makes me happy. Because I like to go light, and I like one camera that can do everything. You get on a tripod and bam, 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 all of a sudden, 8 images are strung together to make the most beautifully detailed image. What's better than that?